Atlantic's TWVSC turns any Atlantic TT series pump, from the TT1500 to the TT9000, into a Bluetooth-controlled variable speed pump. Varying a pump speed can be very useful. Slowing or stopping the pump at night or when no one is home can save wear and tear on the pump and greatly reduce electrical costs. Users can change the appearance, quality of sound, and noise level of water features at will. Fountains can be adjusted without valves, varying pump flow to nozzles to adjust their height or width. Pond owners may like to turn pumps off for feeding so the fish don't lose their food to a skimmer, or for skimmer and pump maintenance. But the Atlantic TWVSC offers an advantage over typical expensive variable speed pumps. Unlike integrated units with built-in speed control, where any failure of pump or controller renders everything non-operational, our variable speed controller operates separately from the pump. The box outlines what's included, the specifications, and recommended installation options, all in 3 languages. Inside are instructions, also in 3 languages, that outline the use and care of the TWVSC, along with the variable speed control module itself. The sealed module has an LED light to indicate when the unit is on standby or in operation. The indicator light shines blue when the unit is plugged in and on standby, verifying a powered connection. It turns green when the unit is actively controlling a pump. Plug the pump into the VSC. The rugged, weatherproof housing allows you to mount the module outdoors near your pump or water feature. Plug the VSC into a GFI protected outlet. The TWVSC is controlled by a new mobile application, the Atlantic Control app, for both Android and iOS devices. The app controls the desired speed of the pump and allows the user to program a different speed for up to 3 periods in 24 hours. The user can change the speed from full flow down to 30% in 10 increments, or put the pump to sleep during each period as desired. Another useful feature the app offers is the customizable pause feature, a button that stops the pump for from 5 to 30 minutes to allow for feeding the fish or cleaning the net without the pump flow interfering. The pump resumes the last flow level after the pause. The application allows the user to set a name and password for any number of TWVSCs to individually control multiple water features. Most convenient of all, the Atlantic Control app also controls Atlantic color-changing lighting and the Atlantic Triton Ionizer, an all-in-one solution for your smartphone or mobile device on both Apple and Android platforms. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the Atlantic TidalWave variable speed control, but were afraid to ask. Check out our video library for info on VSC installation and for more information on all our products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share us on social media. See you in the next video.